This is Astrid with Kanen Coffee. I've got this Rocket Espresso machine here. This machine came in because it had a pretty significant amount of scale all throughout the machine, which caused an issue with the vacuum release valve, so I replaced that valve. And I also replaced the pump while I was in there, so you can see this pump is from 2017. Hopefully you can see better. So that's almost 10 years old. Usually we recommend having them replaced around every 5 years. So otherwise I just gave the machine a tune-up to remove that scale buildup. So I descaled the boiler. I actually descaled it twice, running the citric acid and water solution through the machine. And then I rinsed it thoroughly to remove all of the solution. And then I put a new screen and gasket here on the group head, deep cleaned the steam wand with milk cleaner, and cleaned the portafilter and all the external parts of the machine. So now I'm just going to do a quick demo to show you that everything is working. This is our test coffee, so it's not calibrated to this machine. But it should still give us a pretty nice shot. Okay, it's running a little fast, but that's just because either the coffee is too coarse or I didn't put enough coffee in the basket. Like I said, it's not calibrated to this machine, but you can still see we got a little bit of crema on top. And then here's the hot water. And then the steam. Hopefully you can see that. Alright, that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching.